You can't understand what happened that night, not unless you felt. The earth shift beneath your feet like I did. The room swallowed. Shadows as it entered, its grin spreading like a long-held secret. Finally about to burst, it tilted its head, eyes gleaming with a dark curiosity. "Why are you running?" it whispered, not with fear, but with an eerie calmness, a voice disturbingly similar to my own. A radio behind me erupted in static. A scream! My scream tore through. Do not look into its eyes. But it was too late. Our gazes locked, and the room turned ice cold. My breath fogged. The walls pulsed like a living heart. It moved. Closer, its motions unnaturally smooth, as if air bent around it. Willingly, fearfully. Its fingers long and dark as the night, out and touched my shoulder. Suddenly, visions flashed before me. Not past memories, but glimpses of a possible future. Myself or something wearing my face stood in a forest. Voices called out. Searching, finding only a trail of footsteps that vanished into nothing. Leaning in, it whispered, "Tonight isn't about taking your life. It's about taking your place." Lights flickered. The radio burst into a frenzy of static, and the very last thing I heard, just before darkness engulfed everything, was my own voice, desperate and clear. "Don't let it step into your shadow. If it does, you're already gone." Scenes of search parties, empty woods, and silent. Despair filled the air as the story unfolded, leaving viewers clinging to their seats, haunted by the chilling possibility. What if you were replaced?